Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Hugo and I'm a full-time stock content creator, and in today's video I want to talk with you about the Adobe Stock Free Collection. So a lot of you probably had this pop-up on the screen. You have assets to be nominated for the free collection. Now in this video I'm going to tell you what you can expect, what we have seen in the past in terms of results, and I'm also going to show you what my portfolio looks like and what I'm going to do in terms of my selection. So first of all, this is the dashboard, and there you see you have assets to be nominated for the Adobe Stock Free Collection. And you basically have a set of nominations. So there's a certain types of files that has been selected to be taken in the free collection. And in my case, it are 638 files, images. This time it's for images. There also is a free collection for videos, but that probably comes later in the year. Later more on that. And you basically have two options. So option one is you're going to select it for 1 year, and it gives you $4 per asset. And if you're going to give it away permanently, so you will lose the file forever on Adobe Stock, you will get $10 per asset. Now you can still offer your files on other websites, so that's not a problem. So I mainly focus on drone photos, videos lately, like last 5 years or so, but also I have lots of illustrations and vector images from the past. So these are also in the nomination. So how to look at how you can see what's nominated? Well, you can click here. So here we see all the files that have been nominated, and they are sorted on terms of downloads. Now some of the files have been downloaded quite a lot of times for me, so that's probably going to be based on my strategy. I'm going to select the ones that have not a lot of downloads, so probably these first ones I'm not going to select, because I think it's more profitable for me as a contributor to get the normal sales. Because if you look at this file, this one is online quite some time, already like 6 years, but in that time it gets downloaded 10 times per year on average. So I can probably make more if I keep it out of the permanent collection. So these probably don't get in any collection at all. And then I'm going to look at the ones that are a bit less downloaded and where I think it would be profitable to put them in the free collection. And then I think I probably put them in 1 year. So for example, this file, this is also 6 years online, and it gets downloaded on average about 1 time per year. So then it would be interesting to put it in the 1 year collection. So then I can still make $4 if it gets selected, and that's about, I would similar to 1 download a year, or even maybe a bit more even. And then later, the rest I think I will probably do the permanent collection. Now also let's have a look at the previous year, so to give a bit of an indication of what you can expect in terms of earnings, because it's quite a big amount that they mention at the site. So you can potentially, I can make $6,380 or $2,552, and I have to be a bit realistic, and that is that you're probably not going to make that much money. They're probably not going to select 100% of what you selected, and that's what we see here. So in the bottom I've kept track of the previous results. So they had one the same time last year, so in June. Then you had to nominate before the 2nd of June, and the results came the 25th of June, so about 3 to 4 weeks later. And they had another free collection in August 2025. And at that time, let me open this up for you a bit. At that time, in June I had 432 files that were eligible, so a bit less than this year. This year I have 638. I nominated 430 of those, 424 in the permanent collection and 6 in the 1-year collection, and they offered the same amounts. Now I could make $4,000 back then, and I selected 13 for the 1 year and 3 for the permanent collection were actually selected. So I made $82, and that's 3.72% got taken into the free collection. So only 3%, 4%. So if you take this amount and you select all of them, maybe 4% of those get. That's I think it would be, say, a realistic number, and you can expect it about the end of June. Now also they did one in August again. They had less selected, but they selected a whole lot more. So 31% of those got selected, and then I made $242. So that's a lot more. So that's pretty interesting. Then also it came about 3 to 4 weeks later, the results. So I think if I'm realistic, I think it could be between 0 and 5%. And then we can expect the results about the end of June, I would say. So that's a bit of a realistic number. As you can see, my portfolio grew, and also the nominations grew a little bit. So if it stays in the same rhythm, then probably I would say between 0 and 5% of your selections, of your files get selected. So that's about it. I wish you good luck with your free collection. There's probably going to be one in August, and there are also free collections for video that are probably coming again later this year, but more later on that. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.